Welcome to my unboxing of INFOCUS M2 3G smartphone. This is the INFOCUS M2 box pack. So it comes with a very cheap price at 4,999, almost less than $100. This is the 3G version. It comes with the box looks premium. On the back you find the specification. Let's open this box up. This box looks like an iPhone box. So you find the smartphone itself. It's a 4.2-inch LCD screen with 355 pixel per inch display, so it will be pretty crisp display. And you find front 8 megapixel with flash, earpiece and sensors. On the right side, power button, camera with flash, INFOCUS logo. On the left side you find the volume rocker. On the bottom you find the micro USB, data sync and charging port, and the microphone, the primary microphone. There is also a secondary microphone and a microphone there. Comes with a which is USB charger, and comes with a pretty decent earphone with call button and mic. Find the manual for the device. It's actually in color. I'm pretty surprised to see that this manual comes with a color. And you find the warranty card. So that's pretty much it. Thanks guys for checking out this video.